Sudin Dhavalikar Power Minister has said the Goa government has decided to proceed with the installation of smart electricity meters across the state without holding any public consultation, stating that the move is in line with central government directives under the Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme, RDSS. A senior minister said there is no discussion required on the issue, emphasizing that the policy decision has already been taken at the national level and must be implemented by the state. He added that the government has studied the technology before rollout and clarified that most of the project cost will be covered by central assistance, dismissing concerns about a major financial burden on Goa.
Anybody in Goa knows about smart meters? Answer is no. So let government put the smart meter, exercise its power as per notification of central government, let have a result on it.
So you are saying Goans are unaware about smart meter?
Of course. I've studied myself on smart meter and then implementation has been done in Goa. Without studying, I never do anything. And that is the reason Goa is number one in India today and comparing to the world.
So, but they are saying it should come for the discussion first, then it should be
There
implemented.
is no discussion on this issue. We have to implement as per the government's decision taken by central government.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.